Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video. And guess what came in the mail today? I have not opened it, so let's get into it. See what we got here. This is my January Boxycharm. I waited until I was in front of the camera to go ahead and open it. Ooh, so this is what we're looking like on the inside. The card says fresh start. So let's see what we have. So if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a beauty subscription box. You get 5 full-size items every month for $25. And yeah. All right, so let's see what I have. First things first, I'm gonna go with my choice item for the month. So with Boxycharm, you do get to choose one of your items each month, and I chose the Per 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, and I have the shade TNS. Do I have it on here? No. Well, it says the shade is TNS, which I believe is like a tan shade. And so for 4-in-1, it is a multi-purpose all-in-one brand spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with SPF 20 that's part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking complexion. And this is $35. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swatch watch. See if I was close. Like I said, I chose the shade tan. Tan usually works for me, like tan, medium tan. Those all kind of work. Okay. So this is it blended. If you can see that, it blends really well. It looks nice too. It has a nice shimmer and is not real heavy. So that's what it's looking like on my hand. I'm gonna show you what it looks like without it being blended. And so that's what it looks like without being blended. And then I'm just gonna put this all over my hand, I like the way it feels. It's nice and creamy. And like I said, it's a buildable coverage. So it's not a heavy coverage. This would be great for the summertime. And it has a nice little sheen to it, so you won't be shiny. You'll have a nice glow. You see how smooth my hand looks with that? So I'm really liking that. Real nice. All right, so that was my choice item. Let's get into the other 4 items. First things first is the Violet Voss. I like their eyeshadow palettes. They usually have some good palettes. This is Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. This is a $34 palette. And let's see what it's looking like. Ooh, see, these are my type of colors. When I do eyeshadows, I like neutrals, some shimmers, and a lot of mattes. And so this is the palette. Those colors are gorgeous. See that? And you can't really tell. The bottom is juicy. It's like a golden color. I don't know if you can really see that right there. Let me see. Tone it down. You can't really see it. Let me see if I bring it. You can see it when I bring it back. So this color is speaking to me. This whole right here, this whole line is Wink, Endless Desire, and Infatuated. Yeah, all those are speaking to me. I like this Lovebird. I even like this Olive Glow and Olive Me. And I'm not, that's the Olive Glow, that's Olive Me. And I'm not really a big color person when it comes to eyeshadow. I like I said, neutrals, but I really like this. Up next, I have the Pharmacy Deep Sweet 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with Moringa and Papaya. This is $28 for 4 fluid ounces. It's an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. This refreshing daily toner contains a blend of salicylic acid, moringa water, and papaya enzyme to help reduce shine and minimize the look of pores. Ideal for a combination and oily skin. I have oily skin and I believe in toning, so I definitely, damn, they got this stuff in here tight. I definitely will be putting this with my skincare stuff. And this is what that's looking like. I'm gonna stop going so close so y'all can see it. But that's what it's looking like. It's like a green color. I really don't smell nothing, but I can't wait to use this. Anything that's gonna deep clean my pores because my skin is oily, I am all for it. And I have a toner, but I'll definitely use this and then just go back to my other toner when I run out. And a good thing about Boxycharm is they'll probably have this like on a pop-up or some type of sale where you can buy it, and you can buy it way less cheaper than buying it from like Sephora or the website. Next we have this, what is this? Oh, Trust Fund Beauty Lip Gloss, Lipgasm lip gloss in the color Unprofessional. This is $18. Oh, this is a pretty color. Go ahead and swipe that for you. I'm keeping all this, so I'm gonna go ahead and swipe that for you. And I just bought some lip glosses, but I needed some more. Ooh. That is the color right there. A nice pink, peachy color. So that'll be cute. Perfect for the spring. But real cute, real quick. Something you could pop on real quick if you have a Zoom meeting or something like that for work. You could throw that on real quick and boom, be ready for the meeting. And last, we have the Glow Lip Mask. This is $25. This is Seraphine Botanicals. This is Apple and Biome Glow Lip Mask. You want your lips to glow? Let me read this. Where it go? Okay. Boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils that work synergistically. Okay, words. To keep lips chapped-free, smooth, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly, dead skin, and fine lines. Okay. I really don't do a lot of lip masks, so I'll definitely put this in rotation. And that is the tube for that. Just a cute, I have to remember not to put it so much in the light, but this is the tube for that. A cute little tube. And that is it. That's everything that I got in my Boxycharm box. Again, like I said, this box, you get 5 full-size items for $25. And as you can see, I got way over $100 worth of items. So you definitely get a bang for your buck. And I like this because you get higher quality brands. So that's another thing. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, when it comes to buying makeup, although I love it, I really don't go into like Sephora and stuff like that, because although I love makeup, I still can't get with the price sometimes of makeup. So I enjoy getting my Boxycharm box because I can try new makeup, I can get makeup. It helps to build up my makeup, but I'm not having to spend the money that you would typically spend to buy all of these items. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like and subscribe. Before I forget, I had to take them glasses off. But before I forget, I have a podcast, Two Chicks Talking Shit, with my girl T, my good girlfriend. We do girl talk, we do current events, We have a self-care segment. It's real light, it's fun, it's funny, and we are now on YouTube. We have started our own YouTube channel, so I will put the link in my description box so you can go ahead and subscribe to that and listen to our podcast, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.